something. Good evening, my general.
Bless up.
Blessings.
Selassie, I know. You man, blessing.
Rastafari. Yes, man.
Selassie.
Focus it all over the place.
Yeah, what me I say now, see Natty, the eye them are two brother, cause the eye them resemble.
Yes, man.
One face, one head,
Yes,
one
man.
body,
One mother, one father.
Selassie?
To the core. Yeah, man. One mother, one father, man.
See, I know.
One cut.
But
Yeah,
me,
man.
me discover so the eye, well on the me not see no bakery or something, but the eye them bake bun daddy and the eye them bun taste delicious. Real type of flaky type of bun. Have a nice, you know, have some fruits in it as well.
Yeah.
And the bun tasty. Cause the veteran, I am the veteran from Veteran TV. You see it?
Yes,
And which part? What the place name over there?
All our be.
All Harbour Bay. So
Ghetto.
the road, you
Ghetto.
know, I
Ghetto.
will call around as a ghetto.
Ghetto, yeah.
Well, we have a place for Port Antonio, we call around a ghetto too.
Yeah. But it's a ghetto all our be.
The original
Selassie,
Yes, man. It's an original ghetto.
Naturally. So tell me something. So what do I name differently?
Milton Sterling, a.k.a. Father Ross.
Milton Sterling,
Yeah.
aka Father
Father
Ross.
Ross, yeah.
What a frost.
No frost, Ross.
What a fox.
No, we don't know frost.
No, what a fox.
Yes, it's a fox, that's a frost, yeah.
No, I just choose some lyrics me a dash.
Yeah.
man.
Sure, man.
Yo, Babylon.
We have a part to
Babylon, Babylon just crash.
I will tell you.
And differently on the eye name,
Rasayavi.
Rasayavi.
Yeah, known as Vernon Sterling.
Mad, okay. And you know,
A.K.A. Dan Carlos.
Dan Carlos?
Yeah, A.K.A. Dan Carlos.
Are you sing the tune?
Them are an artist, man.
Give me a tune. Just sing
Give me a
something fast.
give me a
Give me a little
Baby
tune.
cries for me. My baby cries. Ah, my baby cries for me. My baby cries. Every time I'm approach the door, my baby break down in tears. And I guess I know the reasons why. It's because she's jealous of her right.
Jealous over the Rasta man. Wicked, that you wicked.
Yes.
Yeah, yo, life
Yes, man.
goes
So,
on.
what's you now? It's a Milton Sterling, a.k.a. Father Ross. American brother that.
Differently. So, well, a little bit now, no?
Eh.
Me get you understand here, the bun more on top about now.
Yeah,
Wanna bake, wanna bake.
Wanna bake.
We don't run fun with bun.
Seeing, just bun alone on the bake.
No, man. Everything we do with baking. Everything we do with baking.
Like name
man.
out some my things there.
Bun, cake, bowl of bread.
Yeah, and them, yeah, total and them thing there.
Everything.
Everything.
Everything in a baking.
Argument
man.
close there. So
Yeah, man.
I want to know from there.
See there? Just
Yeah, I know
a start
you-
out. That's like a yard
Down
thing
in a
we
wo-
start out.
Yeah, on those start out and look
Just
at
a
the
start
inside of the
out,
It's an
oven. now.
handmade oven.
Yeah.
We bake handmade bun.
Yes.
Last year, I know.
Yes. Look in there.
You know got the
No,
chimney.
yeah.
So you got the city.
Yo, and it feel warm and cook bread inside of it, man.
We don't
People,
have
this
a
is
city.
history.
So we don't got no chimney.
Draw up something, let me see. Just take it out, let me see. It's the last year, I know.
Yeah, we show them a style. We show them a style how we do this style.
Yeah, just show we start.
This is what we call name the peel.
We call it the peel.
The peel.
For real.
For
The
real.
peel for real.
So you know that are the peel.
It's not the peel for real.
So everything sealed.
Make us see the thing
You
them.
can't steal.
Make
So
a
what you do with the
reveal.
peel?
It's
What
not the peel.
Yeah.
To make a reveal what inside.
The oven.
All
Alright.
I see you, man. I see you. Because you bust a seal where
Yeah, I see you, man. What you say you do, Natty?
we bust a seal, we put in the peel.
Bossy seal put in it and the bun them that. You know, black people to the world are the first, we see this one. So you look like that one already from
I can
outside.
spot that one.
That one, put it on, that one named coconut bun.
This is a coconut bun, fresh from the oven.
Yes.
Selassie, I know.
We not run no fun when it's a coconut bun, you know. Because when you taste it, it have it done.
And it smell good
You
too.
see that eat them bun,
Yeah, I want
You
more
put
that.
bun, You can't fumble.
Yeah.
You don't stop mumble.
And this is the next one that ready from the oven, fresh.
Yes, the next one fresh from the oven.
See it again now, people to the world.
We call it gamble.
And
Alright.
I see them bun, the two of them there.
Never show
Are
something
two
now.
different bun.
Coconut bun.
Never show
Coconut
something.
bun.
Yes.
Selassie,
We
I
call
know.
it scrape and...
Yeah. What's
What you call it?
We call it scrape and bun, but in here coconut bread and coconut. Everybody call it different.
Everybody call it different, but it's one
What's the
bread.
salad now, no?
Yes, I.
You see that one here?
Alright, that's this one.
Some people are crying, say the color kind of eye.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's soft, spongy, mild, regardless of the color, which is I got the background don't like blackness.
But I like the color there.
they don't like blackness
Upper top, crispy.
and black.
I like the color, yeah.
When we say black matters and two, it have a little eye.
Them a go like them a reject.
Some people are cry through little
Yeah,
eye.
yeah, so black people stay.
Yes.
Yeah, you
Yes.
can't. They look what God do for them and they still
You see when they were
crucify.
clear, you see when they will look more clear.
Look what the Almighty do for them.
You see when they were clear, yeah, you know, they want to get them come from belly here.
You can't be too good, man.
But we not
You see.
care.
But you see, man, it was nice. Yeah, man, it's a nice little reasoning with the Ida Rasta, man. Seeing, big up on yourself, seeing, we are down in a whole harbor. The place called Ghetto.
Yes, man.
We're on a sunny vacancy open. Yeah, man, Jano, I love when we open. Yeah, this no use, not this. So what do we really use? Coal or hood?
Hood.
Hood.
Yes.
Hood, the man, they say hood they use, not the oven,
Yes,
you know.
man. And it is good.
And hood is good.
Yeah, man.
Big up on yourself, yeah.
If you put at the pan,
Yeah, man, big up on
and you
yourself.
see that pan.
Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. We are done on the whole harbor here, right? You see it, people. Yeah, man. Homemade bun, make with own hands.
I said, all right,
Mad thing, man. See it, yeah.